Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Corgi AI token. Corgi AI, all one word, is the name of the token. This is part of the Corgi AI Social Club. And this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. It was just announced recently. We're going to go over the information on the Corgi AI token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. It says, "Good morning, my fellow Corgis, and welcome to the Corgi AI Social Club." If you want to find all the info on this token, head over to their webpage, corgiai.xyz. Over there you can find their Discord group, their Twitter to join. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here. That's where you can find a lot of new announcements like central exchange listings. We're going to go over that in a second. And you can also find a full white paper, get book, document section, whatever you want to call it, on their webpage. It'll take you over to docs.corgiai.xyz. So this club was created with one objective in mind: to unleash the power of togetherness and build tools to enable the ultimate community. Here at Corgi AI Social Club, we want to harness the limitless potential of AI to transform how we play and connect in crypto. So welcome all to the club. You are now the trailblazers of the Corgi realm. Let's build together. Here at Corgi AI, we believe in dreaming big. As a community, we believe that our goals should be, number one, to expand and become the number one community token in the Cronos ecosystem and beyond. Number two, bring a new dimension of fun and community building with innovative features and AI. Number three, to build our project into a place for creative thinkers on Web3 and to explore AI, have fun, and enjoy conversations. Now, they have a team section on here. It says our team consists of seasoned builders at top-tier marketing individuals in the cryptocurrency space. As mentioned above, we are highly dedicated towards seeing cryptocurrency communities and great technology converge. We believe that this is the beating heart of what makes cryptocurrency beautiful. We welcome all of you to join us on this journey as we break creative barriers and push boundaries. So, introducing our core mantra, which is GOAL, goal, which stands for get out and live. Life's too short for anything less than awesome. And our beloved Corgis deserve only the best. That's why we've established a club that epitomizes creative genius, boasting a stylish atmosphere, trailblazing ideas, and next level fun. We get it, our days are filled with hard work, chores, and obligations. But at night, free from the mundane, we Corgis transform into our true selves. As thinkers, innovators, party animals, and life aficionados, we break free from the ordinary and get out there and get out and live. So, their values here are being creative, intellectual, fun, and outgoing. Now, they do have a Corgi PDF white paper that you can actually download off the document section, so it's a whole separate paper there. And then they have also a roadmap on here. Let's talk about that. So phase one of the roadmap is going to be Corgi AI Social Club soft opening on social media. Launch the Corgi AI Social Club web app. Then the Corgi AI token launch. And then token will be listed on a decentralized exchange. Activate liquidity mining. Staking with Corgi's friends. Limited edition mint. Milestone token burn events, and then champagne in the club. Phase 2, Corgi Creator, which is community-driven NFTs. Then they're going to come out with the Corgi Museum, which is their NFT gallery. And then the AI marketplace and referral mechanism will come out after that. So they are obviously a meme token, but they seem to have a decent amount of utilities coming out in the future. Corgi AI is the core token used within the Corgi AI ecosystem. We want Corgi AI to be at the heart and center of everything that we do here. What this means is that Corgi AI will be equipped with staking utility and will be used as a purchasing token for all upcoming Corgi AI related initiatives on our roadmap. A portion of the tokens will also be reserved on Ethereum too. Stay tuned for more updates. A total of 500 billion tokens will be allocated as follows, and this is very straightforward. So 65% of the tokens goes to marketing, operations, partnerships, 35% reserved for liquidity management and community incentives. Now they have the Corgi AI staking vault, where users can lock up their tokens for either 1 month, 6 months, 12 months, or 48 months, and get either 1 times multiplier, 6 times, 24 times, or 72 times multiplier. Now, if you want to learn how to deposit your tokens into the vault, they have a how-to section where they talk about upgrading vaults, how to withdraw from the vault. They talk about the NFTs on their document section and white paper. And then they have extra stuff about wallets and smart contract integration. So this token here was just announced. It's getting a brand new central exchange listing on a central exchange called Digifinex. So if you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is download Digifinex from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, or get it on your PC, and then open an account, fund your account with USDT, and then when the token comes out on Digifinex, go into the trade section, search Corgi AI, and then buy the token. It hasn't been announced yet, but if you follow the Twitter right here, they will announce most likely when that listing is coming up in the next few days. And on their webpage, it says buy Corgi AI if you want to do that prior to the Digifinex listing. You just do that by clicking on buy Corgi AI. It'll take you over to vvs.finance/swap. And it has a bling swap where you can connect your wallet. And I believe this was Cronos they said you're going to buy this token with. It doesn't actually say here. Let me click on here. Yeah, it's the Crow token, the Crypto.com blockchain. So you would use Crow to buy this token by connecting your wallet, Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet, whatever decentralized wallet you use. And you can get it that way prior to the Digifinex listing, or you can just wait till it gets listed on Digifinex. It's up to you. I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about Corgi AI? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.